So hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about this problem, repeated substring pattern. So it states that given a string S, check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it and appending multiple copies of the substring together. In simple terms, let us understand what it means. So if we have a string, something like this, what will be the substring of this string? It will be A, B, B, B. So these are the possible substring of this string. Now what we need to find is if we can form the original string repeating any one of this substring. For example, if I repeat A n times, I cannot form this. So no. This is not the, if I take AB and if I repeat it, AB, yeah. So now I can find the original string using this. So this is working. Let us check if we can get the original string using this substring ABA. So I'll repeat it, ABA. Am I getting the original string? No, we are not getting. So this is not the one. And yeah, at the end we have this string. So it's by default the original string. So this is our work. This is what we need to do in this problem. We are going to take this string, double it, AB, and then double it. So like this. We are going to convert this string into this string, and then what we are going to do, we are going to remove the first and the last character so that we don't match for this sub. We don't need this because every string can be formed with this substring. So we don't want that. So that's why we are removing the first and the last character. So what we are left with, this string. So now what we need to check, if this original string is there in this string, then we have to return true. Otherwise, if it's not there, we need to return false. So as you can see, this string, which is our original string, is present in this string AB. So we need to return true. Let us see how we can code this. It's very simple. First, I'm going to declare a variable string SS is equal to S plus S. I'm going to double the string. I'm going to declare another variable. I'm going to remove the first and the last character is equal to SS dot substar, and then I'm going to start from 1 till size minus 2. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to have this boolean variable out. Then I'm going to check if new1 dot find. So what I'm going to find in this string, our original string, new1 dot find, and if it's not equal to no position and pose, if it's not equal to the ending, which means we have found it. So if out is equal to true, I'm going to return true. We found it. Else we are going to return false. Now the short end of doing this will be return out or false. So if we run this code, we get the output. If we submit it, it gets accepted. So let us see a small dry run. So this will be converted to AB. This will be converted AB. And then this will be converted to, let us increase the width a little bit, BA. This will be true as our original string, which is this string exists into this string. This is true, then we are going to return true. So I hope you understand the solution and how we came up with this solution. So I hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.